How to find and access TikTok shop. So if you want to find and access TikTok shop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. From the profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and here you will have your TikTok shop. But if you don't find your TikTok shop right here, then you can go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down and then go with report a problem. From report a problem, you need to scroll down again and you can go with chat with us, or you will have report a problem section. You can tap on report a problem, or you can go with chat with us and it will take you to the TikTok chat section or the support section or report a problem section. You can tap on it and then you can give your concern, which is like, for example, my TikTok app is not showing TikTok shop, please help me. And after that, it will give you some suggestions or some solutions and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix and access your TikTok shop not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.